How to stop your parrot from biting. Scientific and practical solution. Have you ever experienced your beloved parrot suddenly biting your hand? This behavior can be frustrating and even painful. But don't worry. In this video, we will draw on scientific research and expert experiences to show you how to reduce this behavior in your parrot and build a better and more intimate relationship with them. Part 1. Understanding the reasons behind parrot biting. The first step to solving the problem is understanding the reasons behind biting behavior. Parrots may bite for various reasons, including 1. Fear or stress. Environmental change, the presence of unfamiliar people or other animals can make the parrot anxious. 2. Boredom or lack of stimulation. A lack of mental and physical stimulation can lead to undesirable behaviors. 3. Playfulness or attention seeking. Some parrots use biting as a way to get attention. By identifying the main cause, we can adopt appropriate strategies. Part 2. Practical strategies to reduce biting. Create a safe and calm environment. Ensure that your parrot lives in a stress-free and calm environment. Avoid sudden change and provide a stable space for them. Provide mental and physical stimulation. Parrots need mental and physical activities. Providing a variety of toys and daily playtime can help reduce undesirable behaviors. Recognize and respond to body language. Pay close attention to your parrot's body language. Signs like puffed feathers or change in eye shape can indicate discomfort or stress. When you notice this sign, avoid approaching or touching your parrot. React appropriately to biting. When your parrot bites, avoid reacting aggressively. Instead, stay calm and firmly say something like no while making eye contact. Show your disapproval but don't scare them. Follow up by rewarding positive behaviors. Patience and consistency in training. Changing a parrot's behavior takes time and patience. By being consistent in your training and reinforcing positive actions, you can gradually reduce biting and build a strong bond with your parrot. By understanding why parrots bite and implementing the right strategies, you can enjoy a more fulfilling relationship with your feathered friend. Share your experience in the comments and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful parrot care tips. See you in the next video.